Hi, I'm Cayla Solomon, holistic sleep coach and founder of Sleeping Beauties. This is one of my favorite places to start with breathwork, diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. It's simple, but it's also one of the most powerful ways to tell your nervous system you are safe now. Here's how to do it. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. You can do this sitting up or lying down, whichever feels most comfortable to you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and try to feel your belly rise as you inhale. Your top hand should stay mostly still, and as you exhale, slowly and gently feel your belly soften back down. Let's try it together. Inhale gently through your nose, belly rising, and then exhale slowly, belly softening. One more time, inhale and exhale. If you don't feel the movement at first, that's okay. It takes time, especially if your body's used to holding tension or breathing up in your chest. Try this for just a few minutes before bed or anytime you feel anxious or even overstimulated. It's a simple way to reconnect with your body, and over time, it can have a really big impact. If you want more guided techniques like this, I walk you through them all inside the Recharge Protocol. You'll find the next video below and a link to learn more if you're ready to go even deeper.